Dear subscribers, viewers, and my supporting students, today I am going to deal with an essay entitled "Hurried Trip to Avoid a Bad Star," which is in syllabus of grade 12 English, Heritage of Words, and it is important, one of the important chapters from the Heritage of Words from literature portion. So, without discussing more on the other things, let us focus on the content, the subject matter of the essay. Let's say, hurried trip to avoid a bad star. What is the significance of the title? What does the title mean? Hurried trip means a trip, a journey done, made in hurry, in haste. हतारमा गरिएको यात्रा, हतारमा गरिएको, हताशमा गरिएको, राइट, हडबडाइएर गरिएको यात्रा, trip to avoid a bad star. Bad star here means bad luck, bad symptoms, bad omen. You can say bad omen, symptoms, bad luck, fortune, bad destiny, right? मतलब अशुभ बेलालाई, अशुभ मौकालाई छोडेर, अशुभ मौका अशुभ नहोस् भनेर हतारमा गरिएको यात्रा, कुनै चीज गर्दाखेरि। जस्तै अब यो टाइटल्स हेर्दाखेरि हामीलाई के लाग्छ भने इट टक्स अबाउट, इट इज सुपरस्टिशियस, एकदम अन्धविश्वासी कुरा हो। कहीं स्टारले पनि हामीलाई असर गर्छ, हामीलाई स्टारले पनि मतलब the condition of the planets and the stars, do they affect our life? Do they affect our destiny? Do they affect our luck? That is wrong belief, that is mistaken belief, superstition, blind faith हामी भन्न सक्छौं। बट हामी कतिको विश्वास गर्दैनौं? हामी पनि, though we are educated, though we are advanced, though we live in the age of science and technology, why हामी किन भन्छौं टीकाको साइत, शुभ साइत, टीकाको यति बजेदेखि यति मिनेटमा टीका लायो भने राम्रो, शुभ साइत। हामी किन शुभ साइत हेर्छौं? हामी घर बनाउँदाखेरि हामी भन्छौं हामी साइन्स एन्ड टेक्नोलोजीको डेभलप्ड, एकदम एडभान्स टेक्नोलोजीमा बस्छौं, 21st सेन्चुरीमा बस्छौं। हामी यो कुराहरुमाथि, अन्धविश्वासहरुमाथि विश्वास गर्दैनौं। हामी त एकदम एडभान्स साइन्टिफिक। तर घर बनाउँदाखेरि शुभ साइत हेरेर, ज्योतिषीलाई देखाएर किन हामी घरको फाउन्डेसन शुभ साइत, शुभ दिनमा स्टार्ट गर्छौं? बिहे गर्दाखेरि किन हामी पण्डितलाई बोलाएर एकदम कुन समयमा बिहे गर्दा राम्रो हुन्छ? किन शुभ साइत हेर्छौं? शुभ मुहूर्त जसलाई भन्छौं हामी, मुहूर्त, गुड टाइम, गुड मोमेन्ट टु डु समथिङ। एउटा सानो पसल खोल्दा पनि हामी शुभ साइत हेरेर, यहाँसम्म कि गाडी किन्दा पनि, एउटा सानो साइकल किन्दा पनि, हैन, साइकल किन्दा, बाइक किन्दा, राइट, पनि आजको दिन, यो दिन किन्नु हुँदैन, यो बार किन्नु, सन्डे मन्डे हामी हेर्छौं नि। के हो? अन्धविश्वास हो कि होइन? आफै विचार गर्ने हो। हामी भन्छौं हामी एकदम साइन्टिफिक छौं, तर मोर अर लेस वी अल आर सुपरस्टिशियस, राइट? We can't say they are superstitious and we are not. We all are superstitious, more or less. That is to be accepted. नभए साइत हेर्नु पर्दैन। यदि सुपरस्टिशियस छैनौ भने why to see? साइत हेर्ने, मुहूर्त हेर्ने, मुहूर्त हेर्न कुनै काम गर्ने, शुभ मुहूर्त। What is that शुभ मुहूर्त? हेर्छौं हामी, means we are all superstitious to some extent. So, let us see, this is very simple. The essay "Hurried Trip to Avoid a Bad Star," it's part of an article. It's part of an article. The article you see, Karnali, Roadless World of Western Nepal. Karnali, Roadless World of Western Nepal is an article that was published in National Geographic. National Geographic is the name of the magazine in 1971. 1971 मा सायद National Geographic टेलिभिजन च्यानल थिएन होला, मेबी टेलिभिजन च्यानल अहिले नेसनल जियोग्राफिक हाम्रो टेलिभिजन च्यानल छ त्यस्तै नेसनल जियोग्राफिक च्यानलमा के देखाउँछ लाइफस्टाइल जियोग्राफी एडभेन्चर सो अन similarly National Geographic is the magazine it was in 1971 and this essay the article Karnali Roadless World of Western Nepal was published in the same article same magazine National Geographic in 1971. This is an exposition of the difficult lifestyles of the people living in Karnali region. Karnali, which is here mentioned, roadless world, roadless, most backward region of Nepal, because the maximum portion, almost the entire portion of Karnali region is occupied, is covered, means is Himalayan, is in Himalayan region, and you know, in Himalayan region how difficult the life is, how challenging the life is, how hardships people have to face, painful experiences of people of Karnali that can be seen. Yes, and this is done by M. Leela and C. Bishop Barry. M. Leela and C. Bishop Barry, they are American geographers. They made an exploration of a microscopic exploration of study of the western region, the far western region, Karnali region, right? And they studied at deeper level. They went to the depth. They experienced the life there. They spent 15 adventurous months there. 15 months trekking, because it is deprived of, the Karnali region is deprived of the transportation facilities, and that's why they had to travel on foot. They had to do trekking. पैदल यात्रा गरेर तिनीहरूले त्यो ठाउँको बारेमा अध्ययन गरे, तिनीहरूले त्यो लाइफ बाँचेर त्यहाँबाट आए. So the essay starts with here, the essay starts with the journey back. They are coming back after Christmas. They start their journey back to Nepalganj to see how Karnali is economically associated with the Tarai region of Nepal, that is Nepalganj. Tarai region, that is Nepalganj, southern part of Nepalganj, Tarai region, you see. And it is also known as the bread basket of Nepal. Bread basket means the storehouse for food stuff. Means Tarai region has the plain land, agricultural land, right? And that's why the maximum production of agricultural production, the food crops you can say, they grow in the Tarai region, and then that is supplied all over the country. That's why it is known as the storehouse of the food grains, storehouse, that is bread basket, the container of food.